Saving $10,000 on an average American salary sounds impossible to most people. Rent is high. Groceries cost more every year. Gas, insurance, and bills keep going up. So most Americans assume saving that much money is only possible if you're already rich. But that belief is wrong. Saving $10,000 isn't about earning a huge salary. It's about using a system that actually works in real American life. In this video, I'll walk you through a realistic, step-by-step plan that average Americans can follow to save $10,000 faster than they expect, without extreme budgeting, without giving up their life, and without risky shortcuts. Let's start with the mindset, because this is where most people fail. Saving $10,000 is not one big decision. It's a series of small, smart decisions repeated consistently. Most Americans try to save whatever money is left at the end of the month. That approach almost always fails. Instead, successful savers flip the system. They save first and build their lifestyle around what remains. Once you understand this, saving stops feeling painful and starts feeling automatic. Now let's make the goal feel real. $10,000 sounds big, but break it down. Saving $834 per month gets you to $10,000 in 1 year. Saving about $400 per month gets you there in 2 years. Suddenly, the goal feels manageable. The mistake most people make is never setting a clear monthly target. Without a target, saving becomes random. With a target, saving becomes a plan. Next, you need to fix your cash flow. You don't need a higher income to start saving. You need control. Track your spending for 30 days. Most Americans are shocked when they see where their money actually goes. Subscriptions they forgot about, food delivery, impulse purchases. Cutting just a few unnecessary expenses can free up $300 to $500 per month. That alone can put you halfway to your savings goal. Now structure your money using the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, utilities, groceries, transportation. 30% for lifestyle, eating out, entertainment, personal spending. 20% for saving. If 20% feels impossible, start with 10%. Progress matters more than perfection. This rule works because it fits real American life without extremes. Now comes the most important step: automation. Set up an automatic transfer to savings on the same day your paycheck hits your account. No thinking, no decisions, no excuses. Use a high-yield savings account that's separate from your checking account. When your savings are out of sight, they're out of temptation. Automation turns saving into a habit instead of a struggle. Next, speed things up with a small income boost. You don't need a second full-time job. You need a small increase. An extra $200 to $300 per month can dramatically shorten your timeline. This can come from freelancing, overtime, weekend work, online services, or a simple side hustle. Here's the rule. Extra income goes directly into savings, not upgrades, not lifestyle inflation. That's how momentum builds. Now let's talk about debt. High-interest debt silently destroys your progress. Credit cards charging 20% interest are financial emergencies. Paying them down gives you an instant return that no investment can beat. Lower debt means lower monthly payments. Lower payments create more room to save. As debt goes down, saving gets easier. Now here's the part most people overlook. Consistency beats motivation. Saving $10,000 isn't exciting. It's not flashy, and that's exactly why it works. You don't need perfection. You need consistency. Miss a month? Restart the next one. Small mistakes don't ruin the plan. Quitting does. Let's recap the system. Set a clear monthly savings target. Track and control your spending. Use the 50-30-20 rule. Automate your savings. Increase income slightly. Eliminate high-interest debt. Stay consistent. That's how average Americans save $10,000 faster than they ever expected. If this video helped you, subscribe to Financial Edge USA for weekly strategies built for real American life. And comment $10,000 goal if you're committing to saving $10,000 starting today.